Hello there, friends. Thank you for joining my channel today. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. I had an appointment today, and so I knew I had an appointment, and then I had something I needed to do before the appointment. So I know I needed to leave at a specific time, and I had already had a bunch of errands in the morning, so I had about a 20-minute window to get this kitchen knocked out, get some laundry done. And I really kept thinking, like, I don't think I have enough time. There's no point even starting this, because sometimes I'll get started doing this kind of stuff and then run over on my time. So I decided I was just going to set a timer so that I had a clock to race against for fun. But I am very competitive, so I set my timer and got to work. First thing I needed to do, this coffee maker I love, but it does have some maintenance, which is fine. It's totally worth it. We love this thing. We use it, like, I don't know, 6 times a day probably, between me, my husband, and my oldest son. So I'm going to get it cleaned up. Now, it feels, the bottom of it, the little tray on the bottom, that's where the runoff of the water goes when it does the steam for the espresso and the steam for the milk that you're like whipping up. So it fills up, and when a little orange float will come up, that means it's time to dump it out. Well, sometimes no one dumps it out but me. And so I try to keep up with that and do it every day, but I had fallen behind a little bit, so it was overflowing. So I put everything from the coffee maker that can be washed, I put it over here to wash it in the dishwasher, and dumped out the water and cleaned it up real good, and then I got to work on the dishes. Now, if you want to get your dishes done quickly, set a timer, because you'll be amazed at how quickly you can empty and load the dishwasher if you are like, hurry, 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 hurry. Like, this is not where you're going to be, enjoying everything. Sorry, there's Tidy. He's like, hello. But yeah, if you're new here, that's my Doberman Titus, and then that's my little dog Millie. She's a new puppy, and then I also have a white dog named Snoopy, and you'll hear them throughout sometimes when I'm editing or doing my voiceover, and they're constantly in the videos, especially when I'm in the kitchen, because they think if I wipe the counters off, there's crumbs coming. But I had not done the dishes. I didn't do them the day before, so I knew this was going to be, a pretty big amount of dishes to try to get in. I also think my dishwasher is leaning forward. My husband doesn't think so, but I'm a little worried about that. I don't really know what to do about it, but just want to let you know. If you see that it's a little bit forward leaning, I know about that, but let me know if you see it, to be honest, because no one else seems to think it's leaning forward. But let's go ahead and keep doing these dishes. I do at some point need to go through all my dishes and coffee cups. This drawer is pretty organized, but like I have kind of a junk drawer for cooking utensils, So we'll get all these organized at some point, but that ain't today. I only have 20 minutes. This is what I mean when I said I had a lot of dishes. Like, this is at least 2 dishwasher loads full, maybe 3, but I'm going to try to cram as much as I can in the dishwasher today. And I only had about 10 to 12 minutes left at this point, so it was crunch time. think it always feels really good to get the sink cleaned out. Now, I will say that I just got some bangs cut about a month ago, not a year, a month ago, and the bangs were not participating nicely today. And so they look crazy. I do know that. But I do try to fix them before I leave, so don't worry, I didn't leave with them sticking straight out. Look at that bang right there. Woo. So the dishes, that was as good as I can do with the dishes today. And so I got a bunch of spices from Costco that needed to go up, and I'm pretty short, so I have my old little construction step stool that I got out of the laundry room that's still a work in progress, and got all these spices put up. I'm excited to taste some of those. And then I'm just going to wipe the counters off, and we're doing pretty good on time now. Still doing good. I do need to leave a little bit of time to fix my bangs. Now, I know that you're supposed to clean the top of your stove every day, but I don't. So this was from the day before, and it had I had made this Mongolian beef, and it wasn't very good. It was too salty. Anytime I make Asian food, I make it too salty. And I think it's because I'm using regular soy sauce. Maybe I need to get the low sodium kind. That would probably make a lot of sense. But I don't even want to tell you how to cook that because it wasn't good. We didn't even save the leftovers. I'm going to put these cookbooks up. I have 2 new cookbooks. One's like the Skinny Taste. I used to love those recipes. I think I used to get them off of her website, but I found the Skinny Taste cookbook at Goodwill. I was very excited about that. So I'm going to actually make the flank steak over the weekend. So I'll show that recipe if it ends up being yummy. And I'm just going to continue around wiping the counters off. I was also doing laundry on this day, which is never ending at this house, but I hang up my husband's work clothes, and I do have a laundry dryer rack, but it's in my laundry room, and like I said, we're redoing that, and it's hard to get to because there's stuff piled in front of it. So I'm just draping them over the kitchen table chairs, and it's good enough. I started just getting the countertop cleared off. I'm just going to leave my boxes here that I need to unbox. So look for I got sent this collagen protein shake. I'm so excited to try that, y'all, because what a good combo. You know, we always need more protein, and we're supposed to be taking collagen. So I think it'll be a good combo. I'll let you know. Don't worry. I'll share it online. But this was like my Instant Pot that was still sitting out, so I'm going to get that put up. Titus is really interested in it for here. This is where the microwave is, so typically the kids probably spill food or something, which is why he's so intently staring at this. But we're doing good. We're going to get this countertop cleaned off. This was the last counter that needed to be cleaned. This is the dirtiest counter because we eat here and meal prep here, and we make our drinks here and everything like that. So this counter stays with food on it. And then I'm going to work on one more load of laundry, getting it folded, and then we will be out of time. Millie was getting out of control, so I put my little dog carrier on, and I'm gonna just stuff her in there and let her be with me because otherwise she's eating some cords that she shouldn't be eating. So let's get this last bit of laundry folded up, and then we will go about our day. I was running out of time, and so I knew once I got done with this chore, it was time to go and put the dogs up and everything like that, and then go to my appointments. So, this is where I'm going to leave you guys. I thank you so much for watching. I hope it motivated you to do a speed clean. You can get a lot done in 20 minutes, and I always try to remind myself that, like, I mean, it does take a long time to clean the house, but a really quick tidy, like 20 minutes, makes such a big difference, especially in my house and in my headspace. Like, it has been pointed out to me that we have a lot of dogs and a lot of mess in this house, and that's totally fine. Like, who cares, right? Like, I'm not gonna lose sleep over everybody's stuff being everywhere just because we all live here, you know? And a lot of times I'm picking up everybody's stuff, and they're occasionally picking up their stuff. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.